Hi, I'm Kristen from Unexpected Atlanta Tours, where we provide radically creative experiences with our one-of-a-kind local history and food tours. I want to share with you a preview of our Cabbagetown and Beltline street art tour, and to let you know what your team can expect before, during, and after your event. Teams love this event because, simply put, we don't do boring. Our awesome tour guides share the captivating history of how street art can change the world. By booking a private tour instead of a public tour, you have the option of a flexible start time, add-ons including food and cocktails, transportation, and even a take-home gift of our favorite Atlanta purveyors. And maybe even a private reception and tour of the Tiny Doors ATL studio with the creator herself, Karen Singer. So what can you expect before your event? When you work with Unexpected Atlanta, you can feel assured that our awesome sales team will handle any of your questions or concerns prior to the event. Booking is easy. After meeting with our sales team to determine a date and time for your tour, you'll receive a proposal for your review. Simply confirm the booking with a signed proposal and you're done planning. We take it from there. Your invoice and event details, including your meeting point and parking instructions, will be sent within 2 to 3 days of a signed agreement. On the day of the event, you'll meet your tour guide at the predetermined location, and that's when the fun begins. The Cabbagetown and Beltline Street Art Tour shares Atlanta's stunning and impactful art and how it carries out the mission of the city's historic changemakers. Highlights include a walking tour of historic Cabbagetown, the Krog Street Tunnel, and the Atlanta Beltline. You'll even design your own street art during an art salon-style happy hour. Our mission at Unexpected Atlanta Tours is to tell unexpected stories that matter. After taking this tour, corporate teams consistently tell us how much fun their teams had and how much they loved learning more about Atlanta. You don't even need to be an artist to participate in creating your own art. It's designed to be approachable for everyone. Before you go, I want to address some frequently asked questions. First, how much time does your company need to book? We can book as soon as the same week or up to months in advance. Let us take the guesswork out of your visit to Atlanta. Second, how many guests can we accommodate? Well, we can book your event with a minimum of 10 guests and up to 50 guests. Third, can you accommodate dietary restrictions? Yes. We need to know any dietary restrictions 48 hours before your tour. Just send those via email so that we can make sure our kitchens are prepared. Finally, how long is the tour? Well, the Cabbagetown and Beltline Street Art Tour is designed to be 2.5 hours, but we can accommodate 2 hours if needed. We look forward to sharing an Unexpected Atlanta tour with your team soon. If you have any questions, please email us at privatetours@unexpectedatlanta.com to speak with a member of our team.